Hey YouTube, it's IreneZ111 and I'm here to talk to you about the Jordan 22s. I know I haven't been on YouTube in a long time, but I've been really busy and stuff and I haven't had time, but now I'm back in the sneakers game and I'd like to tell you some things about myself and I will be getting lots of videos up now. One thing, I am Greek and I am a girl. I'm a girl. My name is Irene and I am a girl. I am Greek and I love my traditions and language. And I used to have a bunch of sneakers. I had like 30 pairs. But now my friend, she threw half of them away because I'd beaten down to death. You know how it is. Once you love your favorite sneakers, you know you gotta wear them. You know, gotta show them to everybody, show them off. So now all I have is 17 pairs. So I'm pretty much gonna restock and get some more pairs of the same shoe that I had. And that's it. And let's get started. So Jordan 22, I lost the box of these because of course my friend had to throw it away. So I'll call these the white and reds. I think these are the best colorway of the 22s because they have this Jordan countdown pack, which I think is ugly. Like, I don't think it's ugly, like, I don't think it's that ugly, but it's okay. Listen, I don't know if you can see it. It's right there. It's okay. Like, it's not the best, but I like this one a lot better. So I'll show it to you. Okay, so here are the breathability right here. It's breathability ventilation system, if you want to call it. There's the Jordan sign on the shoe with his hand throwing up like victory, the victory signal. And this is plastic right here, these little eyelets right here. And then the rest of them just go inside the shoe where you can't see them. They're right there. They hide in the shoe. So, the stitching around here is gray, red, white, which I think is nice, a lot of different colors. This is a leather, it's smooth leather, it's not like tumbled as you can see. It creases a lot, and you know how you can tell leather is a good quality because when you push it down, it makes, the more wrinkles it has, the better the quality it is, which I think is good because I think these have a lot of wrinkles and that makes them really nice. So, let's go down to the sole. I love this carbon fiber look. You can see it. It's like triangles, like the tongue, which I will get into next. And it's a translucent sole. They got yellow because I wasn't really taking care of it. These are just to wear. And the translucent Jumpman, which I like because it's like inside the sole, not like the 2.5s where it's like sticking out. And I didn't like it that much because it kept on getting dirty and the color got taken off and stuff, which I'll show you. That's what happened on the tongue. That's why I love that it's inside the sole and you can't touch it. That's why it's still red and it's not like taken off like the sock liner and stuff like that, you know. And that's it about the sole. And here's the midsole. It's half red and half white, and it cuts off where it like symmetrical to the leather, the first side, to look like it's connected, which I think is very nice. Also, to the back tab, it has the same kind of leather that it has in the toe and it surrounds all around the shoe, which I think is nice. It makes it's like an extra thing that they added to the shoe to make it even better. So, another thing is there's more smooth leather that is creased a lot because I've used it many times. I like the heel cap because the Jordan, again, is inside, like you can't get scratched. It's not like above the shoe, it's inside this heel cap, so you can't cut it and take it off. Like, it can't get scratched, but it's not gonna like take it off like the tongue. Like, let me show you the tongue. The tongue, let me get it to focus. Let me show you this tongue. This text it worse. See, it's coming off. So that doesn't happen when it's inside. So let's get to the tongue. The tongue has like this lace lock that I didn't think that was that nice. Like this what's that shoe? This shoe right here that I'm gonna do next has this nice lace lock, so I like that one better. So I don't understand why they put this crappy lace lock on there, but it's okay. I mean, I still love the shoe. And let's get to the tongue. The tongue has gray stitching, and then you can see the top of the back of the tongue right here. And the laces are white, and I love the ventilation system on here. It's a triangle which matches the carbon fiber, which I love so much. And it has 22, and toe creases a lot because it's very nice leather. As you can see, there's so many creases, which makes it good. It has a 23 on the top. the insole right here has holes. I don't know if you can see it that much. Oh, let me get it out. I'll show you. I'll tell you about that thing later. There, I don't know if you can see it that good. Yeah, there's holes in there. And there's that diamond thing. So to get to the insole, there's a changeable insole like the 21s, but it's not the full. It's not like the midsole. It's not like the whole midsole. It's like a little piece of the midsole. So it's like you take it out, and it says Zoom on it. It has Zoom or Air. You could put either one in there, just like the 2011s. So it's pretty much the beginning of it. And, you can see it between, which I thought they should have added to the 2011s, where you can show which one is in your shoe. Like put a little hole in the back or something, which I would have loved to see, you know, because I like it a lot, the way it looks. See, this one says Zoom, because I have the Zoom, and I like the Zoom better than the Air, because the Air only has a little bag, just like the 2011, like it only has a little bag going down. It's not like the Air Maxes. So as you can see, this thing more responsive and cushion. I pretty much worked these to death too. I have to get another pair of these because I like these so much. And as you can see, it's very responsive. I'll push it down and it comes right back up, which I love. So that's why I pretty much love this shoe, all because of the midsole and this little insert right here. This shoe I would give an 8 out of 10 because the breathability was lacking a little bit because it's leather, and to me leather doesn't breathe that much, you know. And it was a little bit heavier, but you know what? They're a really good shoe, really sturdy and stuff. So I like them, but I give this an 8. So 8 out of 10. So that's it. I will talk to you guys later, and new in the next video will be coming up. Bye bye.